Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to set up and send data to Zapier Webhooks step by step. This is a simple way to connect different apps and automate tasks without writing code. First, create a new Zap in Zapier. A Zap is a workflow that automates actions between your apps. When you set up the Zap, choose Webhooks by Zapier as the trigger app. This is important because webhooks allow apps to send real-time data from one place to another. Next, select Catch Hook as the trigger event. This will generate a unique webhook URL for your Zap. Copy this URL carefully because you will use it in the app or system you want to connect. Now go to the other app or system and use the webhook URL there. Depending on the setup, you can send data with a post request, a get request, or even test the URL in your browser with query parameters. After sending the data, go back to Zapier and test the trigger. This step is important because it confirms that Zapier received the data correctly. If everything is working, you will see the data captured from the webhook. Once that happens, your webhook trigger is ready to use. That is how you set up and send data to Zapier webhooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.